Most of us pick a house color because it looks nice, or maybe it matches the neighborhood. But what if I told you the color of your home might be saying something deeper about you, your energy, or even your intentions? Today, we're diving into the mystical meanings behind popular house colors, what they symbolize, what kind of energy they invite, and maybe even what they reveal about you. 1. White, simplicity and fresh starts. A white house feels peaceful, open, and clean. Mystically, it represents clarity, fresh beginnings, and spiritual light. White is often chosen by people seeking simplicity, order, or a kind of emotional reset in life. 2. Blue, calm, and protection. Blue is the color of calm and trust. But spiritually, it's also seen as a protective color. In many cultures, blue wards off negativity. A blue house might suggest you're drawn to peace, emotional healing, and safe spaces. 3. Red, energy and grounding. Red is a power color, strong, grounded, and full of vitality. In Feng Shui, red is protective and energizing. If your house is red, you may be someone who loves to stand strong, live boldly, and keep your space secure. 4. Green, renewal, and harmony. Green symbolizes growth, balance, and a deep connection to nature. A green house gives off healing vibes and may attract abundance. It's often chosen by people who want to feel grounded, heart-centered, and in tune with the earth. 5. Yellow, joy, and uplifting energy. Yellow is sunshine in paint form. It's joyful, social, and sparks happiness. Spiritually, yellow connects to mental clarity and a bright outlook on life. A yellow house may signal that laughter and warmth live inside. 6. Black, protection and mystery. Black might seem dramatic, but it's deeply grounding and protective. In mystical traditions, black shields and absorbs negativity. It's bold, elegant, and often chosen by those who value strength, privacy, and depth. 7. Gray, balance and reflection. Gray is neutral and wise. It's the color of balance, maturity, and stillness. A gray home may belong to someone who values calm, avoids drama, and wants their space to be emotionally steady. 8. Orange, creativity and warmth. Orange is playful and full of life. It sparks creativity, friendliness, and warmth. If your house is orange, you might be someone who loves expression, connection, and fun energy. 9. Purple, intuition and magic. Purple has always been tied to mystery, spirituality, and inner wisdom. It's rare and eye-catching. A purple home says, "Here lives someone who walks their own path, and maybe even a little bit of magic." 10. Cream or beige, comfort and ease. Neutral tones like cream and beige offer understated comfort. They feel grounded, stable, and warm. These colors often belong to homes that feel welcoming, safe, and well-rooted. Your house is more than just where you live. It's an extension of your energy. Whether you chose your color intentionally or not, your home may be reflecting something personal, powerful, and even mystical. So, what color is your house? What do you think it says about you? Drop your color and your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video!